My name is Anam Malik and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel of Fames Academy. Today the topic I have selected for you all is the volume and surface area of cone. First I will explain you that what is the cone. Cone is a solid figure having circular base, not necessarily be the circular base every time, depend upon the shape you have to draw. But most commonly cone which we used to discuss in mathematics is the circular cone. A solid figure with a circular base and a curved surface joined at a common point that is called the apex is called a cone. From the apex we drop a perpendicular to the midpoint of the base that is called the height and represented by the letter H. From the apex to the circumference of the circle we dropped a line which is called the slant height and that is called the L. Here I have written one important point which I have explained earlier in volume and surface area of the pyramid, that if any one from L or H is missing, we use PT. What is this PT? I have explained in my previous videos. Pythagoras Theorem. We have to calculate either L or either H. If any one of them is missing, we have to use the Pythagoras Theorem. And what is the Pythagoras Theorem? Just recall it one more time. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square is the statement of Pythagoras Theorem. I am not going in the depth of Pythagoras Theorem again, because in my special case of volume and surface area of pyramid I have explained it thoroughly. Now come to the point, that is volume of cone. Volume of cone is having a formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is the pi? Pi is the value 22 by 7 or 3.142142 is a non-terminating decimal. What is the r? R is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is like the point from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is the radius. And h is the perpendicular height, which I have explained you, that height is the point from the perpendicular to the midpoint of the base. These are all the components of the volume of the cone. And what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. One important thing I need to tell you that volume of cone is actually 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is only pi r square h, but if I will divide that volume of cylinder to 3, then I will get the volume of cone. So you must be very well aware about the relationship of the volume of cone and volume of cylinder. We will be discussing volume of cylinder in our later videos, but I will just tell you that what is the relation of volume of cone and volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Come to the surface area of the cone. Surface area of the cone is the total surface area, sum of the areas of all faces. I am again repeating this concept to you all, that whenever we are dealing with the surface area of any solid figure, it means that we have to consider all the areas or all the faces we have in the figure. This cone is having a circular face and having the curved face as well. So sum of the areas of all faces, I will derive the formula. This solid figure is comprised of curved surface area and the base area. The area of the curved surface is having the area pi r l, and the base as it is in the circular form. So what is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. So what will be the formula for the total surface area of a cone? Total surface area of the cone will be comprised of area of curved surface, that is pi r l, plus base area, that is circular in shape, and we all know that what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. So what is the total surface area? Pi r l plus pi r square. A cone has a circular base of radius 8 meter and height 15 meter. Find the volume and total surface area of the cone. So here it is. I have told you that if any single from length or height is missing, I have to calculate the Pythagoras Theorem. By Pythagoras Theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. I have drawn the figure. Here the height, that is perpendicular, is 15 meter. The slant height, that is hypotenuse, is the unknown, and the base is 8 meter. So here it is. Length square is equals to 15 square plus 8 square. After doing the calculation, I got the final answer, that is 289. But 289 is the answer of L square. Now I have to calculate the value of L. By taking the square root on both sides, the value of L becomes 17 centimeter. Now I have to calculate the volume. What is the volume? Volume formula, as I have explained, that volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 is as it is, pi is 22 by 7. If you want to replace it with 3.142, you can. But in order to get like more accurate answer, we used to have 22 by 7. But still, it's your own choice. What is the value of r? It's given in the question, it's 8. R square mean 8 square. What is the height? Height is given in the question, that is 15. So after calculation, all the calculations, the final answer we get is 1005.71 centimeter cube. Now have a look upon the question one more time. Given the radius 8 centimeter, height 15 centimeter, and the length slant height is unknown. We use Pythagoras Theorem to calculate the slant height. We did get 17 centimeter. Then we put the value in the formula of volume, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h. By putting the value in the formula, evaluating it mathematically, we get the right answer, that is 1005.71 centimeter cube. Now we have to calculate the total surface area of the cone. As I have explained you, the total surface area is the sum of the areas of all faces, and cone has two sort of faces. One is the curved face and other is the circular face. So pi rl plus pi r square. Pi, again I am repeating, 22 by 7. You can replace it by 3.142. Radius is given in the question, 8 square. Again plus is the like sign of the formula. Pi is 22 by 7. There is a product sign. R is 8. L I have calculated in the part number 1, and while before calculating the volume, 17. Evaluating it mathematically. If you are having confusion, then just I will let you know that how to solve it. First calculate 8 square, then take the product with 22, then divide the whole product with 7. Here multiply 22 with 8 and then 17, and then divide that product with 7. Final answer you get will be 201.14 and 427.42. By adding the both of them, I get the final answer, that is 628.56 centimeter square. This is my total surface area of the question. In this question, in this video, I have discussed with you how to calculate the volume and the surface area of the cone. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you understand the topic, and this video will be helpful for you to understand the topic. But still, if you are having any confusion, you are almost welcome to tell us in the comment section. I will get back to you soon. Finally, don't forget to subscribe the channel, share the video. Thank you so much.